Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to create a Snapchat account. So guys, the first thing of course that you need to do is go to the Google Play Store, as you can see, and go and find the Snapchat application here. So when you open the App Store, so this will be for only the iPhone users, just so you know guys. So this video is for Apple devices and for iPhone users. So we are on the App Store. When you're on the App Store, all you need to do is go to the search bar, which is in the bottom right corner, as you can see. Type in the search bar and type in Snapchat. So it's Snapchat. Click Snapchat, and here you will have it. Go download it and then enter the actual application. When guys, you enter the application, it will look something like this. Here you can go on your existing account, as I already have an account, but if you want to create an account, then you will not click on this remove account, login, you will click or use another account, you will click on sign up because you don't have an account. When you click on sign up, the first thing that you'll need to do is go and put your personal name and surname. So this is for the sake of the video guys, this is not my real information here. So here you need to put your birthday, so of course all of those things. And of course, when you go through all of this stuff, you just going to click continue and your account will of course be created. Of course, this is your username, which you can go and change. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.